What is fbclid? This is a URL query parameter that a lot of you are seeing, or pretty much everybody is seeing in your Google Analytics reports. I have one snapshot of such a report in front of you. Here you can see there is fbclid, fbclid, and here you go, fbclid. So you're seeing a lot of fbclid, and as a result, your reports are getting messed up. It's a Facebook click ID that Facebook attaches to the URL when you share it on Facebook. Every time a user comes to your site, an ID gets attached. So that messes up your reporting. And it's a big headache because it's not giving you an accurate picture of what's going on your site. So in order to fix that issue, you need to go to admin panel, and within admin panel, pick the properties where you want to apply this fix to. So what we're going to do is we'll remove this fbclid from your reports. However, the fix that's there is only applicable to the view level. So you can't make any changes to account or property. I'm in the admin panel here. You pick the views from this drop down list right here, and then go to view settings. In the view settings, you go down, and where it says exclude URL query parameter, that's where you type that query parameter, fbclid. And once you're done, go ahead and save it. Now this particular view will remove this query parameter when it displays you the data. One thing to note here is that it will apply only to the data going forward. So anything that was collected prior to you making this change will still show you fbclid. But that's it. That's all you have to do. And now your report should be back to normal.